Hold on, just be strong. Hear what I gotta say. I feel what you feel, but it's got to go away. It's the wrong time, wrong place. I can't give it to you. I've grown up and responsible, so I'll do what I have to do. Come on and take a look inside you. Can you be honest? Don't you lie to yourself. You see, it's you, it's me. We need to stop and take control. Think about it, put a hold on it. Temptation, frustration, it's all part of the game. Imagination, just don't feel the same. I can't stop dreaming, it haunts me every day. Though I feel that I cheat, stronger I feel the need to take my chances and no further delay. Come on and take a look inside you. Can you be honest? Don't you lie to yourself. You see, it's you, it's me. We need to stop and take control. Think about it, put a hold on it. Sometimes, but now it's getting out of hand. And when I try to read between the lines, you want me all the way, but I just be strong. Hear what I gotta say. I feel what you feel, but it's got to go away. It's the wrong time, the wrong place. I can't give in to you. I've grown up and responsible, so I do what I have to do. Come on and take a look inside you. Can you be honest? Don't you lie to yourself. You see, it's you, it's me. We need to stop and take control. Think about it, put a hold on it.